What if I told you that the car of your dreams could soon drive itself, navigating through traffic, avoiding obstacles, and making real-time decisions, all without you lifting a finger? Imagine a world where cars drive themselves, navigating through bustling city streets and winding country roads without human intervention. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality that AI is bringing to life through autonomous vehicles. Welcome to our exploration of AI in the world of self-driving cars where technology meets the road. The autonomous vehicle market is projected to grow significantly, with estimates suggesting it could reach a staggering $557 billion by 2026. This growth is driven by advancements in AI technology, which are making self-driving cars safer and more efficient than ever before. Major players like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are investing heavily in this technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So how do these vehicles actually work? Autonomous vehicles rely on a sophisticated network of sensors and AI algorithms to perceive their environment and make real-time decisions. They utilize a combination of cameras, LiDAR, radar, and ultrasonic sensors, generating vast amounts of data. Each sensor plays a crucial role. LiDAR creates detailed three-dimensional maps, radar measures speed and distance, and cameras capture visual cues like traffic signs and lane markings. For instance, LiDAR alone can produce over 1.3 million data points per second. This data is crucial for identifying obstacles, understanding road conditions, and making informed decisions. At the heart of this process is AI's ability to analyze and interpret this data quickly and accurately. Advanced machine learning models process this information to ensure the vehicle understands its surroundings. AI systems use convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, for object detection and recognition, identifying pedestrians, other vehicles, and traffic signals. This capability is essential for safe navigation, allowing the vehicle to respond to its environment in real time. For example, if a cyclist suddenly appears, the AI must recognize and react appropriately to avoid a collision. But how do these vehicles make decisions? AI algorithms analyze sensor data to determine the best course of action. This involves trajectory optimization, where the AI calculates the safest and most efficient path, taking into account road conditions and potential obstacles. For instance, if a pedestrian suddenly steps into the road, the AI must quickly decide whether to brake, swerve, or take another action to avoid a collision. The Society of Automotive Engineers defines 6 levels of driving automation, ranging from level 0, where there is no automation, to level 5, where the vehicle can handle all driving tasks in any environment without human intervention. Most current systems, like those in Tesla vehicles, operate at level 2, which involves partial automation requiring driver supervision. As technology advances, we are moving closer to achieving full autonomy. With great power comes great responsibility. The rise of autonomous vehicles brings ethical and security concerns, such as data privacy and the potential for hacking. For instance, if an autonomous vehicle is hacked, the consequences could be catastrophic. Ensuring the safety and integrity of these systems is paramount as they become more integrated into our daily lives. Companies are investing heavily in cybersecurity measures to protect against such threats. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits are immense. Autonomous vehicles promise to reduce accidents. Statistics show that over 90% of traffic accidents are caused by human error. By eliminating the human factor, we could significantly decrease the number of accidents on our roads. Moreover, these vehicles can improve traffic flow, reducing congestion and travel times. Imagine a future where traffic jams are a thing of the past. AI can also enhance vehicle maintenance by predicting potential issues before they escalate. For instance, AI systems can monitor engine temperature and brake wear, potentially reducing maintenance costs by 10 to 30% through timely interventions. This not only saves money, but also enhances vehicle longevity and performance, ensuring that cars remain in optimal condition. The future of AI in autonomous vehicles is bright, with ongoing advancements in machine learning and neural networks. Companies like Waymo, Cruise, and Tesla are leading the charge. continuously testing and improving their autonomous systems. As these technologies evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and reliable self-driving systems that redefine transportation as we know it. The journey towards full autonomy is exciting and filled with possibilities. In conclusion, AI is not just a tool but a transformative force in the automotive industry. As we continue to innovate and refine these technologies, the dream of fully autonomous vehicles is becoming a reality. Imagine a future where you can sit back, relax, and let your car handle the driving while you catch up on work, read a book, or simply enjoy the scenery. Join us as we drive into the future, where AI takes the wheel and opens up a world of possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI and autonomous vehicles. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the technology shaping our future.